at how to remove the straps on a G-Shock watch from Casio. So inside here, you can see there's a little spring bar in there, right here. So you want to just get your flat screwdriver, push it in, and then push it downwards, and that will release it. So push down. Let's release it like that. There we go. Pull it out. So let's remove the spring bar so we know what we're dealing with. So here it is. And what you're doing is pushing down here like this, and it springs. A bit closer. Let's put it back on. And we'll hold the bottom. There we go. So just push it down and then slide it in. Just like that. Make sure it's in place. Push in. Make sure it's in. Just pull it, make sure it works, which it does. And you're done.